Hello everyone, you're welcome to Franka's Kitchen, where I share with you what I do in my kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. How you all doing? And I appreciate your support. So today we did oatmeal bread, and it's a very healthy one at that. Please stick around and watch what was added to make up this bread. It was so crispy and yummy and very, very healthy. Thank you once again for stopping by. Let's get down with the video. So to begin with, I have here one cup of oatmeal, and to that I'm going to be adding in my 300 gram of boiling water. Then I'll add my 3/4 cup of sugar, and to that is my butter, 3/4 of butter, 3/4 cup of butter, yeah. And here is a teaspoon of salt, whisk together just to bring all the mixture. Now don't forget the water is warm, so it's melting away the butter. So we're just going to continue to have a stir until I know everything is thoroughly incorporated. So now I'm sure. Here I'm adding my yeast. Now don't forget it's going to get activated because the water is still hot, and you have to be careful at this stage. So now at this point, I believe everything is totally mixed in. Yeah, I believe everything is in. So I'm going to pour in my flour, 400 gram of flour. We'll gently fold everything in. We'll gently mix everything in. And I had to be quick about it because I still want everything to be warm while mixing. Now don't forget we used hot water to activate the yeast, and yeah. So at this stage, I'm sure everything is thoroughly in. We're going to cover for at least 1 hour until it doubles in size. Now don't forget it's not a baking powder, we're using our yeast, and the yeast has to work on everything. So after 1 hour, this is what we got. It has doubled in size, and you know the power of yeast. So now we are going to start kneading gently, and here I have my blended oats. It's not that smooth, but I needed it in a powdered form like this. So at this stage, I have tried my best Now it's more stronger, like a play-doh, like a dough. Yeah, we're just gonna twist it in, try to fold in, then we'll cover once again for another hour in a bowl. So I have here my melted butter. So we are back again after 1 hour. Altogether the processing, let's say about 3 hours now, but this dough is good to go to the oven. You can see it doubled in size, and we're gonna try to knead a little bit, but I'm done. I'm actually done now. It's going to the oven from this stage. Now, from the way it is, I had to share it into 2 portions in order for me to have 2 different forms. We're going to continue kneading and folding it in. Now this is the first form I'm going to be using, and I will try and coat it a little bit with butter and then a little of water. So at this stage, because I want the oat to be visible after baking, I had to sprinkle some oat on it just to have that beauty. So we are ready to put both of them in the oven. The way it is right now, I'm done with the bread, and I'm just going to put them in the oven. Now mind you, I covered it with a foil paper, which I did not show, but basically this is it. And so right now our bread is ready. This is the first one. It came out so good, and this is going to take for breakfast. No matter what, it's going to take for breakfast, and the other one could be for the next day, because it filled my stomach on time. And please, if you're not given this kind of bread a try, please do. It's good for weight loss. You're not taking in too much fat on your body. This is the perfect bread. So at this stage, I want to say thank you very much for stopping by at my channel. I hope you give this oatmeal bread a try. And I do hope to see you in my next video. Please like, comment, and share if this is your first time of seeing us. And yeah, thanks a lot for stopping by. My bread came out so good. Have a great day. Bye.